Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental property of the sine function, why the sine of a negative angle equals the negative sine of that angle. This is known as the odd function property. First, let us define what an odd function is mathematically. A function f is considered odd if, when you input negative x, the result is the negative of f of x visually. This creates a specific type of symmetry on the graph known as rotational symmetry about the origin. What does rotational symmetry look like? Imagine pinning the graph paper at the center, the origin 0, 0. If you rotate the entire graph 180 degrees, an odd function will land perfectly on top of itself. This is true for the sine function. To prove this for sine, we need to look at the unit circle. Remember, the unit circle is centered at the origin with a radius of 1. It is the primary tool we use to define trigonometric functions for all angles. Let us start by drawing a positive angle, theta. By convention, positive angles rotate counterclockwise from the x-axis. This ray intersects the circle at a point P with coordinates x and y by definition. The sine of theta is simply the y-coordinate of this point. Now, let us rotate by the same amount but in the opposite direction. This gives us the angle negative theta. This clockwise rotation lands us at a new point, P'. By definition, the sine of negative theta is the y-coordinate of this new point. Let us compare these 2 points. Because we rotated the same amount, the points are vertically aligned. They share the exact same x-coordinate. However, look at the height. The top point is at positive y, and the bottom point is at negative y. They are opposites. Now we can write the proof algebraically. We know sine of negative theta is our new y-coordinate, which we saw is equal to negative y. Since y is just sine of theta, we can substitute that back in. Therefore, sine of negative theta equals negative sine of theta. We can also see this on the sine wave graph. If you pick a value x and find its height, and then go to negative x and find its height, you will see they are equidistant from the center line, but on opposite sides. One is up, one is down. In summary, sine is an odd function with symmetry about the origin. Geometrically, this happens because rotating downwards on the unit circle simply flips the vertical coordinate to its negative value. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.